Have you ever wondered about the benefits of meditation and how to do it? Picture an age-old practice steeped in tradition and shrouded in mysticism, yet strikingly relevant in today's fast-paced world. This is meditation, a habitual journey of training the mind, of honing its ability to focus and redirect thoughts. Think of it as a mental workout, much like physical exercise for your brain. It's not about turning off your thoughts or feelings, but rather learning to observe them without judgment. Meditation is more than just a means to inner peace. It's a powerful tool that can help improve mood, sleep patterns, and even cognitive skills. Whether you're battling stress, seeking self-understanding, or simply wanting to enhance your mental well-being, meditation can be your secret weapon. It's about fostering a deeper connection with yourself and cultivating an inner strength that can carry you through life's ups and downs. Stay tuned to learn more about the transformational power of meditation. Did you know that meditation offers numerous scientifically proven benefits? Let's delve into a few of these. Firstly, meditation is a potent stress reducer. A study published in the journal Psychoneuroendocrinology found that mindfulness meditation reduced the inflammatory response caused by stress, which can lead to a range of health issues if left unchecked. Not only does meditation help with stress, but it also improves mood. Researchers at Johns Hopkins University found that meditation provided a level of relief from symptoms of anxiety and depression similar to what you might expect from antidepressants. Another key benefit is that meditation promotes healthy sleep patterns. A study in JAMA Internal Medicine found that participants who practiced mindfulness meditation had less insomnia, fatigue, and depression compared to those in a sleep education group. Now let's talk about cognitive skills. A review of 12 studies found that multiple meditation styles increased attention, memory, and mental quickness in older volunteers. This boost in cognition is attributed to the fact that meditation trains the mind to focus and redirect thoughts, essentially giving the brain a workout. What's more, meditation has been shown to be effective in managing stress-related conditions, such as irritable bowel syndrome, post-traumatic stress disorder, and fibromyalgia. A study in the American Journal of Gastroenterology found that patients with irritable bowel syndrome who practiced mindfulness meditation had significantly reduced symptoms. And let's not forget the role of meditation in promoting self-awareness and understanding. As per a study published in Clinical Psychology and Psychotherapy, regular mindfulness meditation can lead to significant improvements in self-efficacy, which is one's belief in their ability to achieve goals. These are just a handful of the ways that meditation can enhance your well-being. The beauty of it is that these benefits are accessible to anyone, anywhere, at any time. All it takes is a few moments of quiet reflection each day to tap into this wellspring of health and vitality. And these are just a few of the many benefits of meditation. Ever wondered how quantum physics plays a role in meditation? Well, let's dive in. Quantum physics, the science of the very small, tells us that our thoughts have energy and vibrational frequencies. This energy not only influences our own cells and body, but can also affect the world around us. Now, how does this connect to meditation? When we meditate, we focus our thoughts. We tune into this energy and frequency. This focused attention, according to quantum physics, has the power to influence the physical world. In other words, our thoughts during meditation can shape our reality. It's like tuning a radio. By adjusting the frequency, we can choose what station, or in this case, what reality we want to tune into. Through meditation, we're able to consciously adjust this frequency, aligning our thoughts with the reality we desire. This idea is supported by numerous scientific studies, showing that our mental state can indeed influence our physical reality. So, it's not just a philosophical concept, but a scientific fact. In essence, meditation allows us to become conscious creators of our reality. Now that you understand the benefits, are you ready to start meditating? First things first, find your quiet place. This could be anywhere, from a corner in your home to a park nearby. The goal is to find a location where you won't be easily disturbed. Some people find nature particularly comforting, while others prefer the solitude of their own space. It's all about personal preference. Once you've found your quiet place, it's time to get comfortable. You can sit on a chair, a cushion, or even on the floor if you prefer. The important thing is to keep your back straight to allow for deep, unobstructed breathing. You can rest your hands on your knees or lap, whichever feels more natural to you. Now close your eyes. This helps to shut out external distractions and allows you to focus inward. If you find it uncomfortable to close your eyes, you can also choose a point in front of you to focus on, but make sure it's not something that will distract you. Next, focus on your breath. Notice the sensation of the air entering and leaving your nostrils or the rise and fall of your chest or belly. Don't try to control your breath, just observe it. This is known as mindfulness of breath, a simple yet effective technique that forms the foundation of many meditation practices. Thoughts will inevitably arise during this process. That's perfectly normal. The key is not to judge these thoughts or get entangled in them. Simply acknowledge their presence and then gently bring your focus back to your breath. It's like being a gatekeeper of your mind, allowing thoughts to come and go without attaching any significance to them. You may choose to meditate for a few minutes at first, gradually increasing the duration as you become more comfortable with the practice. You can set a timer if you want to, but don't feel pressured to meditate for a certain length of time. The quality of your meditation is more important than the quantity. Remember, meditation is not about achieving a state of eternal bliss or emptying your mind completely. It's about cultivating awareness and acceptance and developing a healthier relationship with your thoughts and feelings. And lastly, be patient with yourself. Meditation is a journey, not a destination. Some days will be easier than others, but that's all part of the process. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to meditation. So, when is the best time to meditate? This is a question that pops up quite often. The answer, however, isn't as straightforward as you might think. While there's no one-size-fits-all answer, many people find the early morning or late evening to be ideal for their meditation practice. Why, you ask? Well, during these times, the world is often quieter, which can help create a peaceful environment for your practice. Early morning meditation can set a calm and focused tone for the day ahead. Evening meditation, on the other hand, can help you unwind and de-stress after a long day, promoting better sleep. However, the key is to choose a time that fits seamlessly into your daily routine. It's all about consistency. The benefits of meditation are cumulative, so the more regularly you practice, the more you'll reap its rewards. Remember, there's no perfect time that suits everyone. You may be a night owl or an early bird, a lunchtime lotus seater, or a dusk-time devotee. The best time to meditate is really whenever you can commit to it consistently. Find a time that works best for you and stick to it. Meditation is a journey of self-discovery and transformation. It's the path to redirecting our thoughts, training our minds to focus, and unlocking the doors of self-awareness and self-understanding. As we've discussed, the benefits of meditation are not just anecdotal. They're grounded in science, backed by studies and research. Meditation is a multifaceted tool that has the power to reduce stress, enhance our mood, and promote healthy sleep patterns. It's a shield that protects us from stress-related conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, post-traumatic stress disorder, and fibromyalgia. The science of meditation has shown its effectiveness in decreasing anxiety, improving symptoms of depression, and reducing negative thoughts. Beyond its impact on our emotional and mental well-being, meditation strengthens our cognitive abilities. Focused attention meditation can increase our attention span and improve cognitive function. It's an antidote to age-related memory loss and dementia, a testament to the power of the mind. Let's not forget the intriguing connection between meditation and quantum physics. The parallel between the quantum world and the meditative state, the concept of being and not being at the same moment, is fascinating. It's a testament to the profound depths and dimensions meditation can reach. Remember, meditation isn't a one-size-fits-all practice. It's a journey that you tailor to your needs, your pace. The step-by-step guide we shared is a starting point. Feel free to adapt it, make it your own. And while there's no perfect time to meditate, finding a quiet moment in your day when you can be present with your thoughts will make your practice more effective. So here we are at the end of our journey today, but this is just the beginning for you. The world of meditation is vast, rich, and waiting for you to explore. and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Remedy Seeker. We'll see you in the next video.